Welcome to Reena's classes. So here I am with you all with yet another interesting video session which is on basics of geometry. And I know that you all love this topic, right? So shall I start? Okay, now before I start, let me ask you, what do you mean by geometry? Why this part of maths is called geometry? Shall I tell you? So, geometry. It is made up of two words. Geometry. Now, geo is a Greek word which means the earth. And metry is also a Greek word which comes from a Greek word metron, which means measurement. So, this part of maths will deal with measurement. Now, shall I start? Okay, so the first thing which you need to learn in this part is, what is this? So this is a point which shows the exact location of something in the space. Okay, so this point, this is called point and it has no length or breadth. Okay, the next part is when all the points join together in a straight line and it goes indefinitely in both the direction, that means it goes on and on in both the direction. This is called a line. Okay, the line has no fixed point and it cannot be measured. So let's name it as A, B, and we write it as this and give an arrow which shows that this is a line and it goes on and on in both the direction. The next part is this. So this has one fixed point and in the other direction it goes on and on indefinitely. Okay, so this which has one end point and the other goes indefinitely in the other direction, that is called a ray and it is written as this. Okay, so this is A and this is B. And the last part is line segment which has two end points. Okay, the line segment means a segment taken from the line. So it will always have two end points and it can be measured. So this is the thing, I'll write it as this. We just put a line on the top. This is a line segment. So line segment is the only thing which can be measured. Ray cannot be measured. Line cannot be measured. Now why this is called ray? You know that sun, why do we call it sun's rays? Because the sun is a fixed point and the rays go indefinitely in all the direction. In the same way, the light coming out of the torch, have you seen that? So that is a fixed point and it goes indefinitely in both the directions. So that is called a ray. I think it is very, very clear to you now, the point, line, ray and line segment. Okay. So let's do the next part. I am rubbing this because this was the basic thing which you will learn right from grade 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. The same thing will come in all the grades. Okay. So let's move on. So now you know the rays. When the two rays, see this is the ray, this is the ray. When the two rays have common end point, they form an angle. Okay. So let's name this angle. This is O, this is A and this is B. So the OA and OB are the two rays and they meet at O, which is called vertex. Okay, and they have a common end point and they form an angle. Now how to write this angle? I have seen many kids who have problem in writing the names also. So let's learn here how to name the angle. So either we can write it as angle O, which is a vertex. So either we can write it as this. Another way to write is write angle AOB. AOB, but the thing which you have to keep in mind is the vertex will always come in between, will always come in the middle. Okay, or we can write it as BOA. So the same angle can be written as in three different ways. Okay, this is, I think it is clear to you all. So shall I proceed now? Okay. Now another thing which you need to learn in this is, I'm rubbing it because I have to do many things with you today. Okay, now you all focus here. Now see what is this. Now this part is upright and this part is sleeping. Can you see this? Okay, now when this position is up, when this position is upright, this is called right angle. Interesting, right? Have you seen the corner of your room? That is a right angle. Have you seen the corner of your book, textbook or notebook? That is also called right angle. Okay, now when this right angle is slowly moving down, so this is now less than 90 degree and it is called acute angle. Okay, got it? Okay, now move ahead. This is 90. Now this 90 degree is taking rest and stepping at the back, and this is called obtuse angle. Okay, see, this is more than 90 degree now. This angle is more than 90 degree, so this is obtuse angle. Now slowly it's taking rest and it is now sleeping. Now both the parts are sleeping and it is called straight angle. Now when the angle is 180 degree, it is called straight angle. Okay, so what have you learned? See, acute angle when it is less than 90 degree, 90 degree, then it is right angle. Now stepping back, it is more than 90 degree, so it is obtuse. It is sleeping now, it's 180 degree, 90 plus 90. So this is 180 degree and it is called straight angle. Now again it is, see, moving down. So now when the angle is more than 180, so this angle you have to see, you don't have to see the inner angle, okay? This is obtuse. See this angle. So this angle is more than 180, so this is reflex, and when it take a complete turn, so it is full 360 degree and it is called complete angle. Do you want me to write it on the board, all these things, or it's clear to you? Okay, let me write it quickly on the board. Okay, so see, this angle, this is less than 90 degree, so this is acute angle. Now this is straight and we normally write it like this. So this is right. Now this is obtuse. Now this is down. This angle, always consider this angle. This is reflex, which is more than 180, and then one complete angle. This is complete angle. Okay, so if somebody asks you the measurement of this, what will be the, how will you measure this part? Okay, so if you know this part, so what you can do is 360 degree minus this part you will do, then you will get the measurement of this part. Okay, because the full is 360. Full 360 minus this, you will get the measurement of this reflex angle. Is that fine? Okay, now there are three types of triangle also. Here you can see, right? So if all the sides are unequal, it is called scalene triangle. If two sides are equal, it is called isosceles triangle. And if all the sides are equal, it is called equilateral triangle. Okay? Now see, one more thing you need to understand here is these two sides are equal and angle opposite to this sides will always be equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are always equal. So this side is equal, this side is equal. These two sides are equal and opposite to this is this angle. Okay, and angle opposite to this side is this angle. So these two angles will always be equal. So if you are given that, and one more thing is, sum of all the angles of triangle is always equal to 180 degree. So if it is A, B and C, so angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always equal to 180 degree. So if you are given the measurement of this angle, let's say this angle is 40 degree, and they are asking you what will be the measurement of this and this. So what you will do is, you know that angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. So definitely this angle will be 40 degree. So 40 plus 40. So what you will do is 180 minus 40 plus 40. 180 minus 80 is equal to 100 degrees. So because we know that the sum of all the angles is 180 degrees. So out of full we will subtract this, then we will get the measurement of this. So here this angle is 100 degree. Okay. So you all, I hope you all understood. I think I am not very fast over here. Okay. So okay. Now one more thing you need to understand here is, see, this is a rectangle and this is a square. Now, can you tell me what angle is this? What angle is this? So, I think now you all know that this is right angle, upright. So, this is upright, this is upright. So, this is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So, this will be like this. All the angles in rectangle are 90 degree. All the angles in square are also 90 degree. Now, let's say somebody is asking you, write two pairs of opposite angles here. Can you all say that? Okay. Let me first explain, then maybe you can practice. Okay. So here, if you have to write two pairs of opposite angles. So one is angle A and angle C. See, these are opposite. See, opposite means what? I am standing here, somebody is standing here. Opposite to me, this is called opposite. When somebody is standing in front of me. So that is opposite. So here angle A and angle C are opposite. Angle D and angle B are opposite angles. Okay. Now one more thing you need to learn here is what are adjacent angle. Okay. So see, opposite angles are always opposite to each other and adjacent angles are always closer to each other. Like it seems as if they are holding their hand. So see, this angle and this angle. So see, they have a common arm. This arm is common to these two angles. See, it is looking as if they are holding hand over here. So angle A and angle D and angle B and angle C. Actually, A and B are also adjacent, but I will not confuse you. Let's discuss here two pairs of adjacent angle only. So see, A and D, they are closer. They are looking as if they are holding their hand. So A and D are adjacent, and you can also write angle B and angle C are adjacent angles. Okay. I think although there are many things to do in this, but since in this video I am discussing with you all the basics of geometry, so I think that's it for now. If you really find the video helpful, interesting, please press the like button, subscribe for it, and if you think that you still have doubts or any queries, please write it on the comment box. I am there to solve it out. Okay. So this is Reena signing off for now. See you all in my next video. Bye.